Alam niyo ba ba't ko kayo tinawag na gano'n?
Kasi?
Dahil Titanic ang eksena natin. Coming from the bench.
I know.
From the bench.
From the
bigla
bench.
tayong naging Titanic.
Oh, ganun.
So, madamdamin ang episode.
Okay.
Madrama tayo ngayon.
Yes. The style that you will dance is contemporary, which is very, again, far from our last episode together. So I hope that ready ang mga body niya to do contemporary today.
Yes.
Mostly, the choreography talaga, it's really maraming detail. Hindi ako mag-ano sa inyo. Maraming detail because, of course, I want you guys to win.
Yep.
And I want you to showcase yung hindi nyo pa napapakita as duo.
Yeah.
Parang first contemporary.
First
ba to?
namin, together.
Yay!
Cha-cha-cha and open pa lang kami, coach.
Oo.
So,
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
let's go.
Let's get it. Start na tayo.
Okay pa.
Sige, from the, ano tayo? From, dito muna tayo sa, saan part tayo? Dito tayo sa 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa first combo.
Okay. Kumusta? Masakit.
Hindi naman.
5, 6. Dito na lang tayo humarap.
Ito yung
so, ito
judge?
ito yung judge.
Okay.
So, you are coming from this part, the LED. Pag ganun. So, dito si Ate Jazz. Yan. And then you're going towards the camera, Joker, other side. Okay? Ready po. Daanan lang natin. So, 1, 2, move 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2. Scoop, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One more time. Don't forget lang po yung ating, di ba, after nito,
Scoop.
run the jump, bring it down, extending the arm, and then scoop to prep. Tapos make sure nakatalk pa to so
Okay.
that we have space to go up. Yun. Last one.
Okay.
Ready? 5, 6. Siguro move back tayo a little bit. Yan. Ready? Sige, back pa, Joker. Yan. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Wow! From here ate, diba? L, prep down. Yan, prep down. Scoop right. Yes, right arm lang yan. Scoop right. Tapos ito pa yung both arms natin.
Yun
Open
din.
and then down. Yes. Boom, ka, scoop and down. Open, down. Yan. Tapos ideally, when you do this, di ba nag-down tayo, in place lang to.
Okay.
Yeah. So, eto lang yung movement natin. Down, in place, up, and then
In
down.
place.
Yan.
Okay.
Tapos eto na yung may step ulit. Yes.
Doon pa lang yung step.
Yeah. Step back. Step back. Yan. Doon pa yung angat sa kick. Okay. One more. Daanan lang ulit natin. Ready?
1, 2.
5, 6. Move back a little bit pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And scoop and down. Open, down. Up. Ka. Sorry. Naghalo sila. So from here, yan, si scoop. Tapos ate, when you do the scoop, eto lang. So, scoop water, down. Pase. Ayan, don't forget the pase to go up.
That's right.
Yes, so open, down, and scoop. Good. And down. Hawak mo muna sa body. Yan. So pag scoop mo up nito, hawak muna tayo sa body before mag-open yung arms. And then down. Step your left foot back. Right arm. Ka. Step, and then the kick.